What is a debit transaction and how does it function? Imagine you're shopping at your favorite store or withdrawing cash from an ATM. Ever wonder what actually happens behind the scenes when you use your debit card? Today, we're going to break down how a debit transaction works and why it's such a key part of our financial system. A debit transaction is simply a movement of money out of your bank account. When you make a purchase with your debit card or withdraw cash, funds are taken directly from your account. This process is quick and seamless, thanks to the banking infrastructure that supports it. When you swipe or tap your card at a store, the merchant system sends a request to your bank asking to deduct the amount. If you have enough money in your account, the bank approves the transaction and immediately subtracts that amount. At the same time, the merchant's bank account gets credited with the same sum. This instant transfer keeps everything balanced and transparent. Now, this process is rooted in double entry accounting, which is the backbone of financial record keeping. Every transaction involves two entries, a debit and a credit. When you spend money, your account shows a debit because money is flowing out. From the bank's point of view, your account is a liability, meaning the bank owes you that money. When you use your debit card, the bank records a debit to your account, decreasing the amount you have available. This system ensures accuracy and helps prevent errors or fraud. In business, debit transactions are everywhere. When a company pays for supplies, it records a debit to expenses and a credit to cash. When they buy inventory, they debit inventory and credit cash. Paying bills or settling invoices also involves debits. These entries help companies keep track of their spending and assets, making sure their financial statements are correct. Without this clear system, managing money would be chaotic. For consumers, debit cards are a handy tool. They let you access your own money instantly, without borrowing. When you pay with a debit card, you're using your own funds, not credit. This makes it easier to stick to a budget and avoid debt. Debit transactions can also happen electronically through automated clearinghouse or ACH transfers. These are used for recurring bills like utilities or loan payments. When you set up an ACH debit, your bank receives instructions to withdraw a specific amount from your account and send it to the biller's bank. It's a smooth, automated way to handle regular payments. From a broader view, debit transactions are vital to how market economies work. They give individuals and businesses quick access to their own capital, helping keep money flowing efficiently. Banks profit from processing these transactions through fees and data services, which encourages innovation and better services. For the economy, this system supports fast, reliable exchanges of value, making markets more dynamic. In the end, debit transactions are more than just swipes and withdrawals. They are the practical tools that allow us to exercise control over our money and keep the financial system running smoothly. They help ensure that when you buy a coffee or pay a bill, the money moves quickly and accurately, supporting the larger flow of capital that keeps our economy moving forward.